Good afternoon, everyone, and I'm here with Mayor Pro Tem Martin and Councilmember Pollard and Councilmember Cisneros. And I'll introduce some of our other guests in a few minutes. Chief Pena is present, Dr. Purse, Director Steve Williams, Chief Bunick, also present. Today, the City of Houston Department is reporting 146 new cases of COVID-19. Which brings the total case count for the City of Houston to 6,047. The total number of deaths in the City of Houston will increase to 119. That's an additional 2 people who have died as a result of COVID-19. So as of this year, of the 119 deaths that are occurring within the City of Houston, 27 of that 119 associated with nursing homes and 2 associated with the Harris County jails. The 2 new deaths that we are reporting today are a Hispanic male in his 70s with underlying health conditions who passed away on May 14th, and a non-Hispanic male with unknown race in his 70s with underlying health conditions who passed away on May 17th. As more people return to work, to the gym and restaurants, we are increasing public access to COVID-19 mobile testing sites, and before the month is out, we will have 24 testing sites across the City of Houston. I also want to give special recognition to Walgreens, who is meeting the needs of our community. Tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Thursday, Walgreens will open an additional drive-through testing site. This site will be at the existing store at 8301 Broadway Street at Belford. That's 8301 Broadway Street at Belford. People 18 and older with or without symptoms can get tested, and to make an appointment, visit the Walgreens.com website. And if I'm not mistaken, at this testing site, I believe you can get the results in 15 minutes. Where's Dr. Is that correct, Stephen? 15 minutes at this? Yeah, in 15 minutes. So this is that particular testing site. Over the past week, the City of Houston has recognized those individuals and companies that have stepped up in times of crisis and urgent need. Aramco makes it a point to step up for Houston's community during good times and challenging ones. Aramco donated $600,000 to the City of Houston to help with expanded mobile testing in underserved communities and support for first responders. And I want to thank them for doing that. In total, In total, Aramco has donated over $1.5 million to the Houston area for COVID-19 response. This includes donations for Houston Methodist to developing a promising treatment for the coronavirus, and for the Houston Food Bank to continue to help communities in need. Another $500,000 were donated to food banks to various cities in the United States. In fact, Aramco's entire team was out yesterday at a food distribution site for families in District A. And during Hurricane Harvey in 2017, the company supported recovery through volunteerism and major donations to the city's relief fund, schools, shelters, and housing initiatives. And that work continues today as they are supporting the rebuilding of a library. I want to thank Mohammed Ashamari, President and CEO of Aramco, for their generous support to the Houston Food Bank, not just in this city, but in other cities, but especially to the $600,000 that they have contributed to increase testing in underserved and under-resourced communities. Please give it up to President and CEO Mohammed Ashamari. He's very shy. He doesn't want to say too much today. I may call on him anyway. Let me also recognize Kathy Easter, President and CEO of Houston Methodist International, and I want to thank her and them for their generous support to also the City of Houston. Kathy Easter, thank you, Kathy. The reality is that everything that I want to acknowledge also, there's Amy, and I'm going to get these names wrong, Amy Kambaji, Director of Brand Strategy. This is also at Aramco. Heather O'Connor, Supervisor of Communications. I've already indicated Kathy Easter, President and CEO of Houston Methodist International, and Robin Mansour, President and CEO of Houston Health Foundation. Again, I want to thank all of our partners who are working with us in the city of Houston to advance the needs and interests of the city.